Welcome world, welcome to my channel. My name is Nola Vaughn and today I'm going to teach you some of the basics in Adobe Premiere Pro in under 10 minutes. Today we're going to learn something that every basic editor should know, and that's how to cut, trim, and rearrange your footage in the timeline. But before we go any further, I'm going to need you guys to like and subscribe, and you also can leave comments, feedback, tips, or whatever in the comment box below. So let's get into it. Before we do anything, y'all, we are going to take our footage and drag it over to the timeline. Once it's at the timeline, we can hit the C key, and this is for the razor tool. The razor will automatically pop up to do these cuts. When in doubt, you can see it on your left, the name will appear, and its hotkey. So we can do some small cuts, as you see here. But maybe you want to get in really fine and take off a second or two. You can adjust the panel that you see the footage in, the timeline, and you can get in really fine with the razor tool and make those small cuts. Maybe you just want a second off. Maybe you just want to chop off something that look crazy as hell. You can get in really fine. Next, when you look in between those two files, you'll see a blank space. If you select that blank space, a white box will appear, and you can basically hit delete, and it will snap the footage back into place, as you see here, okay? Just like the snap tool. Next, we have the ripple edit tool, and you can simply hit B on the keyboard, and it'll pop up once you go to the top or bottom of your footage. This key allows you to delete footage and snap that footage back into place with the edit. Or maybe you cut some footage out. You can literally go to the edge or top of that footage and drag it forward or backwards if you want to remove or add some footage that you may have cut. And this is the ripple edit tool and what it does. Okay? Next, we have the selection tool, and you can simply hit V, and this key allows you to basically select whatever you want, and you can move it over top of footage. Like here, I'm taking some footage that I just cut up, and now I want to basically do like a B-roll kind of vibe. So look, I'm going to adjust this so I can see whether I'm looking at the audio or video, and you can select that footage, right? Then you can basically take that footage and put it over top of other footage in the timeline, okay? Excuse me with the all over the place. But look, this is what it does. So basically that footage I just added, I can put it over top of some footage in the timeline and adjust it and make it look like B-roll if I wanted to. Okay? As you can see here. But understand this. With this selection tool, when you are taking footage and you might want to squeeze it in somewhere, be mindful, because once you do that, you see I'm moving this footage to show you a space. The footage that I'm about to add to the slot is clearly too big for this space, right? So you see this one snap right back into place. It fits there, no problem. But if I move it forward or backwards over a space, it will override it, right? So let's say I'm taking this footage and I want to squeeze it somewhere, but clearly the footage don't fit, right? So I'm going to show you, for example, what's going on here. Here we doing a simple overlay like B-roll, but let's say I want to squeeze this footage in. It don't fit. So what happens is it will basically overwrite the footage that was in front of it. So the file that was before it, you basically are overwriting its footage and its audio. So be mindful where you place your footage, because there is no squeezing in the middle. If you put footage somewhere, it will basically overwrite the footage there. Okay? One of the suggestions that I will give to the new editors out there is learn the system, and play with the buttons. Find something that suits your needs. So, I want you guys to like, subscribe, comment, and if you have any feedback for me, drop it in the comment box below. Bye.